So I've done shrinking leather, I've done shrinking jeans. Now today I want to shrink. Beautiful. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. But it's kind of boxy. But I just loved the pattern. The pattern is gorgeous. And it has this beautiful pocket here. You see, it's too big. So this is what I want to do. I got my hoodie here. So you see, it's kind of boxy. It's too big. I fit in two of me in here if I want to. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this, it says to wash it in the dry cleaner. I'm going to put this in the washing machine. I'm going to wash it inside out, cold water. I'm using only my fabric softener. And I can't find that mesh bag. Put like lingerie and stuff like that. You're gonna put it inside that bag, and I'm gonna wash it, and I'm gonna dry it a little bit in my dryer, and let's see what happens, and let's check it out afterwards, okay? Okay. See, the coat is in here. The coat, it's in this mesh bag. This is how I'm gonna wash it. Okay, it's tied. Time to go in there to use fabric softener, and that's it. So there you go. That's it. And now it has to be cold. It's cold, it's medium, and that's it. On the delicates. Okay, start, baby. The coat has been washed. I'm gonna put these sheets that I think they're very good. Okay, let's dry it. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the coat out. Okay, so you've seen it. It's dried. I left it in here for 6 minutes drying. So let's see how it works. It's straight out from the dryer. I didn't even change my clothes. Just prove it that I'm wearing the same outfit. It's a little tiny bit humid, a tiny bit, but I am going to stop it right now because I'm afraid, I don't know. So let's see what happened after 6 minutes in the dryer. Okay, so it's comfortable. I guess I could even dry it a little bit more if I wanted. But it did shrink a little bit, not that much, but it looks very cool. I mean, it's okay. So I guess it worked out. For me, it worked out. It looks pretty cool. You can do it like this, style it. Next video, let's style it because it's a pretty cool job. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And you see, it did not ruin anything. I'm just gonna air dry it a little bit, and I'll see you in my next video, huh? Right, Monty? Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna check out in the next video.